Hey guys, this is Charlie with Badass Beard Care, and I'm really excited to tell you all about our new and improved Badass Beard Club. Now, the Badass Beard Club is more than just a product subscription. You save huge on all of your favorite Badass Beard Care products. You even get a free solid metal membership card that's been laser engraved with your member number. You get free samples of our seasonal scents and free swag. You can get entered into free drawings for Badass Beard Club members. You get discounts on all of our partner companies. You get access to member-only giveaways and access to member-only gear. Now, the club is really cool because it's totally customizable. You can subscribe to any product at any frequency, and it's really easy to edit, pause, or skip a shipment. Let me show you how to sign up right now. Simply click on Join the Club. Select which product you'd like to subscribe to, or multiple products. You can find all the scent options in the drop-downs, and you can subscribe to more than one from each drop-down. Once you've selected all the products you want to subscribe to, click Add Subscription. From here, you want to select your frequency, from anywhere from every 1 month to every 6 months, and also the quantity of each product if you'd like more than one of any given product. Verify everything's correct. If you'd like to add a one-time product to this first subscription order, you can click here and add beard care products, accessories, or apparel at your member discounts. You can also jump back and add more products to your subscription if you'd like. Once you've got everything you want, click Checkout. Verify everything's correct in your cart, and proceed to finish checking out. Once you've checked out, you are officially a Badass Beard Club member. In order to access your account, all you have to do is log in and click on the account icon, and this will bring you to our member portal. And from our member portal, you'll be able to find out all of your account information. You'll be able to get your discounts on all the member products. You'll be able to add free swag and other freebies to your upcoming orders, and it'll give you all the discounts to our partner companies. One of the coolest parts is it also allows you to edit your subscription. By editing your subscription, it'll take you to your own member portal that allows you to completely customize everything within your current subscription. So you can add one-time products, you can change your next ship date, you can change how often you get it, you can swap the product out, you can ask to have it sent right away, and you can skip your shipment. You can also toss in one-time products easily from the side here and then check out. So we hope you guys are excited about this just like we are. It's a very, very cool program. It saves you tons of money. It's very easy to get into it. And if you want to cancel, it's simply clicking a button. So there's no risk. There's lots of reward. We encourage you guys to give it a shot. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.